Dove Monkey's first little test video, I would say. We're not in the Volkswagen though, we are in the little Clio track car, me and Cookie Bear. My faithful hound. Come on, over you go. She doesn't like this car though. It's a bit too noisy for a big scary looking dog like that. And she doesn't like loud noises, funnily enough. So yeah, little test video. Excuse the state of my head. Let's see what we can make of this. So yeah, little drive over to Birmingham this morning. Gonna drop Cookie off. Car's nicely warmed up. Sitting here defrosting the window, so it's nice and warm. Tyres on the other hand, they're going to need a bit of time. A little bit about this car. It's built from the Nürburgring. It's like an absolute bag of shit on the outside. It's got a dent in every single panel. Bucket seats, roll gauge, harnesses, as you can see. 421 manifold into decatted exhaust. Take the boot floor, the wear well, taking out the boot floor and flat piece put in its place so it can have a center exit. I never built this, so the specs I can only go off what I can see and what I've been told. But I have been told it has 197 cams in it. It's a clear 172. Lights and flywheel. Obviously the injectors remapped to certain cams. Got no reason to think that they are there. It's quite good. Stripped down inside. Still got the normal door cards. Do have some carbon fibre door cards to go with it. Just haven't got around to fitting them yet. What else is there? Hybrid Technics. Mounts, engine mounts, gearbox mounts, some sort of induction kit. Remote steering wheel at the time, this time should I say, and a short shift extension on the gearbox. DS2500 pads on the brakes, vented and drilled discs. And some sort of polycarb back wood windows. Just that great stuff. There's some dents all over the roof, bonnet, dents all over there. Apparently it's been on its roof before. But yeah, it's a track car. It's just fun track, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know what it looks like. Yokohamas all round slicks. Can't remember the exact model number of them at the moment. AD808R or something. Yeah, it's a good bit of fun. It is a good bit of fun. It is very nippy. What's one of my ones? I had a Type R, EP3 Type R a few years back, but I was going to take it to a track car. Never got around to it. You know how things go. Had a little Micro K11 that I was turning into a track car, but got so far in the build and stopped. Work got in the way, life got in the way, motivation was lacking, and put it up for sale and got offered a swap for this. This needed a gearbox. I got it, gearbox in it, bang. She's all good. So I'm just going to get some fuel now, and then we will crack on with the rest of the journey. Adios. Alright, petrol in, 45 quid later. We're ready to roll. It's going to get some warmth from these tyres. And I can play in the Clio. It is 0 degrees outside. 52 brake, 395 pound of torque. Need to get some more from those tyres.